Are you looking for the best large 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best large 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Geeetech Thunder 3D Printer. Looks like we're diving into the world of cutting-edge machinery. Now, let's talk about the Geeetech Thunder 3D Printer. This high-speed 3D printer is designed to take your printing experience to the next level. With a blazing speed of up to 300mm/s, it's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. The X/Y axis closed loop control ensures precision in every layer, giving your prints that professional touch. The spacious print volume of 250-250-260mm means you can dream big and print bigger. Whether you're into intricate designs or larger than life prototypes, this printer has got the space to accommodate your creativity. Number 2. Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D Printer. Alright, let's dive into the Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D Printer. This printer is quite the precision powerhouse, boasting a large printing size of 300x300x400mm. With its auto bed leveling (ABL) feature, it takes the hassle out of manual bed adjustments, ensuring your prints start on a level playing field, quite literally. The dual Z-axis adds an extra layer of stability and accuracy to your 3D printing endeavors. The Sidewinder X2 also comes with a TFT touch screen, making navigation and control a breeze. The user-friendly interface enhances the overall printing experience. The printer is a kit, so you get the satisfaction of assembling it yourself, and it's equipped with features like a direct drive extruder for better filament control. Number 3. Voxelab Aquila C2 3D Printer. The Voxelab Aquila C2 3D Printer is a DIY printer kit that offers a range of features designed to enhance the user experience. One notable feature is its silent mainboard, which ensures a quiet operation while printing. This can be particularly beneficial for users who prefer a noise-free environment or for those who want to use the printer in shared spaces. The printer also boasts an open-source design, allowing users to modify and customize it according to their needs. This flexibility enables users to experiment with different configurations and enhancements, expanding the printer's capabilities. With a build volume of 220-220-250mm, the Voxelab Aquila C2 offers a decent-sized print area, allowing users to create objects of various sizes. Additionally, it features a carborundum building bed, which provides excellent adhesion for prints and reduces the risk of warping. Number 4. CREALITY CR-M for 3D Printer. The CREALITY CR-M for 3D Printer is a powerful and versatile printer that offers a range of features for users looking to create large-scale prints. With a generous build volume of 450x70x70mm, this printer enables users to produce larger objects compared to standard-sized printers. Equipped with a Sprite dual-gear extruder, the CR-M4 provides a reliable and precise filament feeding system, ensuring smooth and consistent printing. This feature is particularly important when working with large prints that require a consistent flow of filament. The printer also features a CR Touch 25-point multi-printers, allowing for accurate and automated bed leveling. This feature simplifies the setup process and ensures optimal printing conditions, contributing to higher print quality. Number 5. CREALITY Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. The CREALITY Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer is an upgraded version of the popular Ender 3 Max model, offering enhanced features and capabilities. With a large print size of 300x300x320mm, this printer provides ample space for creating larger prints compared to standard-sized models. One notable feature of the Ender 3 Max Neo is its dual Z-axis design, which ensures stability and precision during the printing process. This feature helps to minimize any potential wobbling or misalignment, resulting in higher print quality. The printer also incorporates the CR Touch Auto Leveling System, which simplifies the bed leveling process. This feature automatically adjusts the print bed to ensure optimal printing conditions, saving time and effort for the user.